My name is Ellie. And my name is Gia. Today we're not going to be reading a book or opening a toy. Today we're going to be showing you how to cook banana bread or cake. Because it is our aunt's birthday today. If you are wondering how we make it, it's in the description below. Thank you. Set your oven to 325. Next, we need to grease our pan. You can use a one like this, but we're using this because it's our aunt's birthday today. So I'm gonna use some butter to grease the pan. It has to be all over so the banana bread doesn't stick to your pan. Now we put the pan aside so it doesn't get in our way. Next, then we get 1 cup of butter and then 1 cup of sugar. And then we cream it together. Now we have to transfer the cream butter into a bigger bowl so I can crack some eggs while my sister is mixing 3 bananas, but make sure they're overripe. So here I'm just mashing it down. Then we need to crack 2 eggs and then beat them in the bowl with the butter and the sugar. While my sister's doing that, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm gonna wait for her to stir, and then I'm gonna add it. And then we're gonna add the bananas that my sister was mashing a while ago. Then I'm gonna keep mixing while she adds the bananas. Now we're going to use this spoon to mix. Now we sift 2 cups of flour. Make sure to pour carefully because we don't want big chunks in our flour. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Now we mix it. Then we combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. We have to add it little by little so it's not hard to mix while I keep mixing. So this is called folding so I can keep some flour at the bottom and so the flour is not all on the top. This is how it's supposed to look. And make sure not to overmix it. Then we're gonna pour the batter into our mold. Now we have to like scrape it in because it's so sticky. Yeah. Now we have to smoothen out the batter on the pan. Then let's put the cake in the oven. See you in 1 hour! It looks and smells good. Let's do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, that means your banana bread is fully cooked and ready to go. Sis, did you like our banana bread? Yeah! Hope you like it too. Mmm, so good! Bye, bookworms. Till next